Hello everyone, welcome to Sikkhon, and welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create fisheye lens effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get into it. First of all, drag the video footage where you want to apply fisheye effect into the project timeline. Then, analyze the footage carefully, especially the subject in the video. Now go to Effects tab. Search Lens Distortion. Drag the effect into the footage in the timeline. You'll see the effect is applied on the footage. Now go to Effect Controls option. Change the curvature value to 100. You can change it to any value based on your preference. Then, if you want more curvature, just copy the lens distortion effect and paste it on the same footage. You'll see the difference on the footage. Then go to Effects tab. Search Transform. Drag the effect into the footage. From Effect Controls tab, change the value of scale and scale up the footage to full screen preview. You can check the footage. The fisheye effect is applied into the footage perfectly. Now, you have to do something aesthetic. Go to Effect Controls, then go to Opacity option. Take a ellipse mask. From Screen, click and hold Shift from your keyboard and use your mouse pointer to fix the ellipse tool into full circle. Set the ellipse shape in the middle of the screen. Then change the mask feather value to 50 to smooth the edge of the ellipse shape. Now go to Effects tab again. Search VR Chromatic Aberrations and drag it to the footage. Now go to Effect Controls tab. And give a check mark on Fall Off Invert button. And change the aberration, blue, green, red values as per your need or taste or preference. Keep the fall-off distance value to 55 or 60. That's it. That's how you create fisheye lens effect on a footage in Adobe Premiere Pro smoothly. For more tutorials, please like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let us know in the comments what kind of tutorials you'd like to see next. Visit Sikkhon.com for a wide range of free and premium courses. Thank you for watching.